I'm going to show you how to assemble IKEA LÖNSET Slatted bed base. We're gonna have a standard double in this case, so we're gonna have two of these, and let's do it. We have a standard double size. We're gonna have two boxes with this slatted bed base. So we're gonna have two of these side panels, three dividing panels in one box, exactly the same. In the second box, two side panels, three dividing panels, two strings for the middle, and a few screws. So we're gonna start with the first one. I'm gonna show you everything in detail. Second one, I'm gonna go faster. First, you see you have those boxes on the side panels, different colors. So you're gonna have a different colors of the slats as well. You're gonna have two of these strings. If you have a double bed base, if you have a single, you're gonna have only one box with one of these. You're gonna open the slats. You see they're different colors, and they're gonna go in the different boxes. This is the screws you're getting with it. Not too many, so there's gonna be not too much work with this. It's quite easy to assemble as well. So we're gonna go with the first side panel. We're gonna put the screws through bottom, on the middle, and exactly the same on the top. Just place the screws in and go all the way through. Now we have top, bottom, and the middle dividing panel, which we can place it in on the screws and secure the screws. This side you can tie it up completely. Other side we're gonna leave a little bit open. I'm gonna show you in a bit why. Middle, exactly the same. Find those two holes and secure the screws from the side. Make sure the heads on the screws are lining up nicely with the side panel. So basically the heads are in, so you're not gonna scratch the bed on the side when you're gonna put the slats in. And we're gonna do exactly the same on the other side. You're gonna put two screws through the side panel on the top, in the middle, and exactly the same at the bottom. Just place them all in. Bottom part exactly the same. Two screws in. Once you do that, you can join the frame together, but we're not gonna put those screws all the way in. We're gonna leave the gap just for the easy installation. I'm gonna show you here how much you go in. There it is. You can leave about 2 centimeters roughly, or if you need a bit more, you can leave a bit more. You see, you're gonna open that box and place the slats in. If it's too tight, you can unscrew it a little bit more, so you have easier access to the boxes. See, that's how much you can leave. And exactly the same on the middle. Just secure it slightly in, and exactly the same on the side. Find it a bit easier to do it this way. You can lift it up, or you can do it on the floor if you like. I find it easier this way. Secure the screws slightly in, just to hold it in place. We can put it on the floor and we can put all the slats. This string is gonna go, the slat's gonna go through it, and that's gonna be on the middle of the slats, kind of holding the slats on the middle. That's how it goes. One side, don't forget the same color of the slats, same color of the boxes, or the holders for the slats. There it is. Open it up and secure it in. The string on the middle, slats gonna go through. So it's the first hole in the string. And don't forget to go with all the holes. Sometimes you can skip it. I'm gonna show you in a moment what happened to me, what kind of mistake I did here. It's just the simple things, but it make your life easier if you focus here. Change the colors. I missed one hole in that string, so I'm gonna have to go back in a moment. You see, the gap is too funny here. The string is not straightened, and I didn't realize it here yet. To that, you're gonna have to open everything. You see, I was carrying on with the slats, nothing happened. I'm gonna find it in a moment. There is something wrong in there. You see, now I found it. But it's a bit late because I did another 5 slats already, so you see I missed the gap there. So I'm gonna have to open all this up and put it all again in the right place. That's okay, just need to focus on the color of the slats, color of the boxes, and go with every hole in that string. So now we have the white color, now we're gonna have different one again and place them all in exactly the same. If you have a hard time to place in the second box, just open the frame slightly more and it's gonna go easy in. Straighten the string right on the middle before you attach it at the end. I'm gonna show you that in a moment once you finish all the slots. There it is, that's the last one in. You see all the slots are in the right position, I mean in the right color boxes. And now you can secure the top, close the whole frame together. 2 screws at the bottom, make sure the heads come in nicely into the frame. They're not gonna stick out from the sides, or when you're gonna put the bed slats in the bed, you're not scratching the edges of the bed frame. There it is, all nicely in, and exactly the same on the top. Just place the screws all the way in. Heads nicely in, twist it a little bit more. There it is. Electric screwdriver I'm using here, very useful. Straighten the middle string. And we can attach it here, the bottom and the top of the string, just one washer and a screw. I mentioned the screwdriver here, this is the small I'm using in this side, very practical for any kind of DIY, small places, small screws. Then I have the bigger one for bigger screws, and that one is with the torque, so you can adjust how hard you want to go on the screws. Both of them very useful, you can find them in the description if you like to check it out. Exactly the same on the other side. We have a screw with the washer. There is a pre-drill hole already in the dividing panel, so just go through the string. There is no hole in the string, so you just have to make it and find the hole in the dividing panel, which is pre-drilled, and secure the string on the bottom as well. Now we have one done, so this was in the detail. Don't forget to put the colors in the same way. So you see the bottom one have more boxes than the top one. So this is exactly the same base, just the second one. If you have a single bed, you will have only one of these with different size. And we can secure the side, middle and the top panel exactly the same as previously. Second panel exactly the same, 2 screws on the top, on the bottom and on the middle. And we can join them together. On this part we're not going to secure the screws completely. On the other side is securing all the way in, but here we're going to leave it just a little bit in. There it is, just to hold the frame on this side, so we have easy access with the slats in. Now we can prepare the string and we can do the whole bed slats in the boxes. So don't mistake the color, don't mistake the holes, just go one by one slowly, and that's it. Second frame is done. Now we can secure the screws on the middle, on the top and on the bottom, heads all the way in. Don't forget, not gonna scratch the bed frame once you're gonna put this in. And we can secure the string on the top and on the bottom with the 1 screw and a washer. Just find the hole, go through the string. And that's how you assemble IKEA LÖNSET bed slats. In this case, this was double sized. You can have them in 3 different sizes: single, standard double and standard king. This case was a standard double. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, it helps a lot. Thank you very much, and see you in my next one very soon. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day.